In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically fill PDF forms using PDF.co, Web API, and Postman API development platform. Before you perform the steps explained in this video, you have to set up an account with Postman. If you do not have already done that, you can go to this link and you can see how to do that. The link is pdf.co/postman, and it also shows you how you can connect Postman with pdf.co web API services. So coming back to automatically fill fields in a PDF document, you have to perform two steps in Postman. So here you have to click pdf.co collection of APIs. So among the services, first you have to read the fields of a PDF document. So for that you have to click this option, PDF Forms in Reader, and you have to click this. Here you have to specify the value, URL value of the form that contains the fields that you want to read. So you have to click URL. This is the PDF document that contains the form from which the fields will be read. This is basically a US tax return form. So you will be reading this field, first name, last name, and all these fields will be read. So let's see how to do this. So copy this link here and paste it here and click send. You can see all the fields that have been read by the PDF info reader. So the form for the merit field is this one. So this is the second checkbox. This basically corresponds to the married filling jointly field. So this is the field ID that corresponds to married, and similarly this is for the first name and the second name, and then you have some fields for the social security number as well. Now we know the fields. The next step is to actually fill these fields using pdf.co. For that you have to go to another service here, which is PDF add text, signature, and images. Here you have to click this option, and then you have to go to raw. Here you have to copy and paste this information. Basically what is being done is here is you access the field name. For instance, this field, we know it refers to married field, and when we set it to true, the text box is set to true. And similarly, if you talk about this field refers to the first name, and you can see the text here is first name. So this is how you fill the fields. So you can copy and paste the data from this video here, or you can manually write it if you want, and you have to select all and copy and paste it here in this field here. So Control C, Control V, and click send. In return, you will see a link which contains the PDF form filled with the values that you specified. So if you click here and go down, you can see that the married checkbox is checked, the first name and last name have been entered, and also the social security number is also entered here. So this is how you can automatically fill a PDF form using pdf.co, Web API, and Postman API development platform. Thank you for watching this video.